Happy New Year, everybody. So the next video in the series is how to use Camtasia for video editing. I'm going to thank my friend Eamon Kelly. Eamon is instrumental in introducing me to Camtasia, and it's been a wonderful tool to do all my video editing for LinkedIn videos. So here I have Camtasia opened up. It's a free download. You can use it for 2 weeks, I think, for free, but it does leave a watermark on your video. So I highly recommend paying for, I think it's about $250 for the full version. And then you have all the same capabilities, but just without the watermark. First things I'm going to show you is you can record in Camtasia. You typically use Loom for my quick videos, but when I want to record something that needs to go on LinkedIn, I use Camtasia. And I go up here to the record button. It comes up with this screen here. I can also use picture-in-picture. So we're going to start the recording. So now that I've started the recording, I'm going to say at about 5 seconds in, and I'll show you how to quickly edit those inside of Camtasia. All right, so Loom is still running. I have now the video imported into Camtasia. Once again, I'm thanking Eamon for this tip, actually. So he said to expand this so you can see the waveforms a little bit bigger, and then to zoom in on the waveforms. All right, now I have the recording pulled in. I've expanded the track. I've zoomed in. I'm going to pick a point here and press play. I'm going to say So you can see there, I can just drag this cursor over here, expand the red bar over, press on the scissor icon. Now if we go back and play over that area, say about 5 seconds. So you can see there, that was how quick it is, especially when you've expanded and you've zoomed in on the waveform. You can quickly cut out, imperfections, any fillers you put in. And so I've been using this to great effect for the videos that I put on YouTube. So once again, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're on YouTube, or watch for this on LinkedIn. But every week I'm going to put out new videos for you. Thanks. Bye.